Afternoon.
Hello brothers, sisters, you're Kodo. So today I'll be showing or teaching you how Ghanaians will make our fufu. So fufu is a pounded meal from West African cuisine. It is a starchy dough food made from boiled cassava, plantain, cocoyam, and yam itself. It's used as a staple food in West Africa and Central Africa, and has extended to the Caribbean due to slavery. It is a tree word that originates from Akan language in Ghana. The word has expanded to include several variations of pounded meal found in other African countries, including Sierra Leone, Guinea, Liberia, Cote d'Ivoire, Burkina Faso, Benin, Togo, Nigeria, Cameroon, DR Congo, Central African Republic, Republic of Congo, Angola, and Gabon. Although the original ingredient for fufu is boiled cassava, plantain, cocoyam or yam in Ghana, it is also made in a different way in other African countries. So now let me teach you or show you how we prepare or pound our fufu. So after getting your fresh cassava, plantain or cocoyam or yam from the market, you peel this cassava and the plantain, the green plantain, okay? With the cassava, you slice the tuber halfway through, then remove the inner wooden cord, okay? Then you slice them or dice them into pieces, into smaller cubes. Same to the plantain or to the yam or cocoyam, okay? Then after everything, you wash them nicely, then you put everything together inside a pot. So this process is for cassava and plantain only. So you add in your cassava and plantain together inside a pot. You add in some amount of water. It shouldn't be overfull. If not, you go inside the water. So you add some water to it. Then no salt should be added. But if you know that after pounding your fufu, the remaining will be eaten the next day, then you can add salt to the boiling cassava and plantain, and this will preserve or prevent the fufu from getting spoiled the next day. Okay. And also, if you know that you'll be chewing or you'll be eating your cassava or plantain like that without pounding it, then also you need salt to bring out the taste of it. Okay. So this cassava or plantain will be on fire for like 20-30 minutes, depending on the temperature and also the nature of this cassava. Mostly it's the cassava that's the problem. So the nature of the cassava will determine how fast it will cook. So let's say 20-30 minutes, the cassava is ready. Then you have your mortar and pestle. That's what you're going to use to pound this cassava and plantain. So we first pound our plantain. So one by one, you have the pestle being pounded, making sure that everything's being mashed together. You don't have any lumps inside. You have a nice mash kneading, okay, by pounding. Then after everything, you set aside the pounded plantain. Then you start with the cassava. Same as the cassava, one by one, a bit by bit, you pound with the pestle, making sure that there's no lumps inside. Once the cassava is being mashed together nicely, then you bring back your plantain, the pounded plantain, to the cassava to mix it. So basically, since cassava alone is starch, the plantain is serving as iron, okay, to blend with the starch, so that you not be eating only starch food, but you have a bit of iron inside your food. So the plantain will come, you mix it, then it will change from, the color will change from all white or cream to a different color because the plantain has come joined the cassava. So now that everything is being mixed together, we have our nice, smooth, yellowish kind of color fufu, okay? And as I said, when this is ready, it can be served with varieties of soups in Africa. In Ghana, we have thousands of soups in Africa. In Ghana, we have rare kwai, we have salmon zero, we have pumpumvari zero, which is cassava leaves, okay? We have palm nut soup, we have peanut soup, we have green soup, a whole lot. And so yeah, this is how fufu is made in Ghana, Africa, West Africa. I know other countries have their own way of preparing fufu, but basically in Ghana, this is how we prepare our fufu. I hope you enjoyed the video. If this is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a brother. Please share the video to showcase and promote our local food to ourselves Africans. Let's learn our own local food.
Guys, you need to subscribe to Sindaco's channel because you find a lot of local foods, okay? Travels a lot.
It is what it is.
So he eats a lot.
You can also call me 680.
680.
So before you bite or chew your friend, as I said, you have to do this.
Just the men.
Just you have to do this. I know how you do this. You can also
hey 680.
680.
680.
Before you bite it.
the mess rules. Some me this sika come my door for and I'm a bushing for our Ghana. They the for tap sing.
This is Yami tap. And the best so far.
I didn't see some yes, and this car coffee na a tap.
Tap saying with the view will be around down the up now. Cannot master for African countries to pay.
And the reason I changed over to tap. Yeah, very easy.
If you're here, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve secured when app never had any issue.
Tap sing and no one abuche for you na ya jia too. Tap sing papa no.
Over there. And man no sit then cry. Tabia takum, wedi a mema yedro no, a me nya hoden, ane hoden ye, aye mema dro, anu ti na barma bia hia bi no, aye mema dro ma barma bia wedi mfie di watwe ko. Bi opedi du etu aton bia, enko chemical shops, pharmaceuticals, ane herbal shops bia. E wo Ghana hanum be bia. Anase freying, e wo 0243 686861, ana 0245 749206.
FD ajisa echodi nkatu ya tu.
Kaise tabia takum ye, bema bia ye takum.